Today I will be showing you how I forge a bottle opener. I will be starting out with this piece of 1 inch by 4 inch by 1/4 inch piece of steel. The punches and drifts I'll be using are a 3/8 round to punch the hole, a small drift to open the hole up a little bit, then the larger tapered drift to bring it to final size. To form the lifting tab for the opener, I'll be using this tab punch that I forged myself. It was a ball peen hammer. This end is hardened, this end has been softened. I forged the ball out into this 5/16 square, 3/8 square would be fine too. So let's get to it. Okay, here's the finished forging of the bottle opener. As you can see, it's kind of dirty, it's got a lot of scale on it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing and clean it up. Okay, bottle opener is nicely wire brushed off, no more scale. Now what I'm going to do is a brass brush on the lower half. It'll come out a nice two-tone look. Okay, here's the finished opener. Nice gold two-tone. As a test for all my openers, I do a bottle suspension. This is the forge I was using in this video. It is a newly built mini forge I made. The body is made out of a utensil holder that I got at the thrift store. It's all stainless steel. I made all the thumb screws. I made the burner. The burner is Ballard Forge designed style burner. It uses a 1.5 to 1 inch reducer, although if you can find it in 1.5 to 3/4 reducer, that's even better. The MIG tip that I used in it is a 30 thousandths, although it measures 40 thousandths. Running off a 30 psi regulator with a needle valve. Inside chamber of the forge is 2.5 by 6, so it heats up very quickly. The legs are removable, so you can use it on a tabletop or welding table. The longer legs also have loops on the ends, so you can stake it into the grass or into the dirt, as this forge I made is intended to be quite portable. Also has the work rest, which is adjustable in and out. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.